Hey everybody, I'm Marty Boardman.
And I'm Manny Romero.
And we're here at our latest acquisition. This is a classic single-level brick home in the heart of the Coronado Historic District.
With views of downtown Phoenix, this property is in a highly desirable location. The only problem is the house is too small, only 1,000 square feet with just 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a tiny kitchen space.
Yeah, in order to sell this house for top dollar and massive profit, we'll have to add some size to it, as well as a master suite and garage.
Check out this drawing our architect did. You can see how the existing house sits on the lot.
Now have a look at our plan for the addition. We'll keep the original layout pretty much the same, but in the back of the house, we'll build a much more spacious kitchen.
And we'll create a huge master suite with a walk-in closet and bathroom.
Finally, we'll add a detached 2-car garage in the back of the house.
Fortunately, the house sits on a large 8,000 square foot lot, so we have lots of room for the addition and garage.
Now, in order to get the extra 800 square feet we need for our addition, we have to tear this entire wall down.
And our guys are ready to get it on, so let's tear this sucker down. I just got off the phone with one of our crews from Milwaukee, and they're saying that one of the inspectors for one of the cities over there is really harassing them, and of course that really upsets me. So what's the best way to take this frustration out? Demo.
As we mentioned, this house was built in 1943. It's red brick construction. The outside brick was painted, but on the inside here you can see it was covered in plaster. What we're going to do for this wall, this west wall facing the street, we're going to take all this plaster off and leave this distressed brick look. And we've got our work cut out for us, so let's get going.
It took us about 3 days to get this house completely cleaned out.
Yeah, and then we had to wait about a week for our architect to give us the green light on this back wall here. As you can see, we didn't actually have to tear the entire thing down. Our contractor was awesome. He figured out a way to save us a few bucks by just creating these 3 openings which lead to the new addition.
The flooring and kitchen cabinets are gone.
And the plaster on the west wall is history, but we'll have to do some patchwork because a lot of the mortar from the bricks fell out during the demo.
Now it's time to prepare to pour the foundation for our addition.
Yeah, it's all staked out for the footers and the rough plumbing work is complete.
Be sure to check back with us in a few weeks.
Yeah, our guys are going to be here in the next couple of days to pour the foundation here. I'm Marty Boardman.
And I'm Manny Romero. Thanks for watching.